I just saw that fucking microwave pop up.
Microwave?
Like last second. Mic
Microwave?
overlay. Like it.
Oh, that's how you.
Oh yes, oh yes, my microwave gone off, and that's how I knew you were there. It started going beep beep beep.
Okay, now.
Sounds a lot like you.
You know what? Now that you say microwave, I gotta send you this.
Like, I'm kind of scared right now.
Maybe you
I don't know what
should
it is. Why?
I put it on the setting bed. I put it on the setting bed.
I love how Mario Low is 1200 watts high power. Like, oh, that's really good then. It must do it perfectly.
It demands a blood sacrifice.
Oh, is it like some bullshit doesn't there?
I don't know, bro.